सो यू फाइनली हैव द ट्रेलर ऑफ तेरे इश्क में ये मूवी इसके गाने मतलब फैल गया ही है एक ट्रैजिक लव स्टोरी मतलब हिला डालेगी मतलब वो वाइब आ रही है सैयारा जैसी तो वी हैव अनदर बिग हिंदी रोमांटिक ट्रैजिक kind of film in our hands to click at the box office. We'll have to wait and see. But I guess tragic, toxic, problematic love stories are in the trend nowadays. So let's see what it's all about. Let's check out the trailer.
Jai Hind, sir.
Oh,
At ease.
okay.
Meet Flight Lieutenant Shankar.
That's how they meet. Or is this after everything that happens? Is it kind to Ranjana? Look at those emotions. Okay.
Still aggressive. Still angry.
Okay, didn't expect this.
Of yours, right? Stop it.
Oh. Interesting.
अब इतनी सुंदर लड़की का हाथ अगर उठा है तो किसी गाल पे तो पड़ना ही चाहिए.
Okay. That is shocking.
मैं ना तुम्हें एक अच्छा नॉन वायलेंट इंसान बना सकती हूँ.
क्यों जवान लड़की की जिंदगी बर्बाद कर रही हो मैडम? मैं प्यार में पड़ गया तो दिल्ली फूंक दूंगा.
Oh. That's gonna get whistles. So she's trying to fix him.
हमेशा राजकुमारों के सपने देखती हैं. मोहब्बत में समझदारी की आदत होती है उन्हें. And I didn't know how to explain him that.
Therapist?
हम ना शादी कर लेते हैं जल्दी से. मैं ऐसे लड़कों की साइकोलॉजी जानती हूँ. जब वो लड़की को शादी के जोड़े में देख लेते हैं ना तो वो चले जाते हैं.
मैंने कहा था मैं प्यार में पड़ गया तो पूरी दिल्ली फूंक दूंगा.
मर जाओ बे पंडित.
Oh.
प्रेम में मृत्यु है.
That's a line from Ranjana. Is it? No.
मुक्ति के पीछे भाग मत. अपने इश्क में इतना जल कि मुक्ति खुद तेरे पैरों में गिर के भीख मांगे
Okay.
कि स्वीकार करो मुझे.
Intense. That looked too real.
मेरा जी उब गया है इस बेचौथ प्यार से.
They're gonna cut it in the movie.
मुझे बस लड़ना है.
धनुष की हिंदी में भी वो एक्सेंट है बट आई गेस ही इज सच अ गुड एक्टर कि जब व्हेन यू वाचिंग द फिल्म यू जस्ट दैट एक्सेप्ट इट एंड मूव ऑन. और जितने भी घायल आशिक है ना उनको ये मजा आ जाएगा मूवी देख के डायलॉग सुन के जो उनको जो मतलब तड़प है अंदर की सब फैंटेसीज दे वांट टू लिव. दैट्स व्हाट दिस फिल्म इज गिविंग. आई फील लाइक फ्रॉम द व्हाट आई अंडरस्टूड फ्रॉम द ट्रेलर इज दैट कि इन द बिगिनिंग like the film will start with them like he has become a Air Force pilot and somehow she has reached there and they meet there and then from there we get to flashbacks what really happened. I feel that's going to be the structure of the film and we'll be in the present them talking and through that we're going to get the backstory and then finally something is happening there and all the shots of the fighter pilot and the sequences and all look fine. This is not that film, it's something else. They're just trying to do it for that level. It's well done, very much acceptable, but it's all about the dramatic love story. It feels like she wants to fix this guy and with her love and change it, but now she's like, oh, that's not like it was just a normal thing for me. No, no strings attached. I just wanted to fix you, done. I want to live my life, be sensible enough to understand that, and then it backfires and now she's trying to protect her love, who she really likes and want to get married in a normal life she wants to live, but she is already now आग में घी डालने वाला काम कर चुकी है, and she has to now face the consequences of it. And I'm sure उसके बीच में भी बहुत कुछ होगा, but that's the basic plot idea I got. Again, not sure if it's connected to, I don't think it's connected to Ranjana, just from the makers of it. In that film, he died, unless you go with the AI version of it. It is a film for the heartbroken lovers out there, and that can go to a cringe level. But what matters to me is how is the film gonna be. The names associated are, you know, they've proven before they can make good films. So देखते हैं क्या होता है. Dialogues are cool. I get the, you know, fantasy element and the, you know, the conviction is there to tell such a story. But how will it work over a long, you know, feature film? That's the thing you have to figure out. But coming out at the end of the month, let me know your thoughts about it in the comments below. Check out you next, and I will see you next time.